All right, so these were just my croissants that I got from the grocery store. I just cut them up into small pieces and put it in my 13 by 9 pan. Oh my goodness, these smell incredible. Just make sure that your cuts went all the way through so that you don't have too big of pieces. All right, now I'm gonna bring in my mini semi-sweet morsels and we are just gonna sprinkle those all throughout our 13 by 9. I did grease this pan, so make sure you grease yours. And we're gonna use half a bag of these mini chocolate chips. Yummy. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and put that to the side and we're gonna bring in a large bowl. I have here some whipped cream cheese and this is 12 ounces, but we are gonna use a total of 16 ounces of cream cheese. So let's go ahead and empty out this whole container into our bowl. Delicious. And then I have a little bit left over in this small container that we're gonna throw in here to make it a perfect 16 ounces. Oh my goodness, this is gonna be such a yummy and easy dessert. It's so quick, so delicious, and those croissants are just buttery and good. Now I'm gonna come in with 2 cups of my whole milk and we're gonna pour this whole thing in there just like so. Perfect, you can use whatever milk preference you prefer. We're gonna bring in our pure vanilla extract and we're gonna add 2 teaspoons.
That is the biggest vanilla I have ever seen.
It was on sale. All right, I kind of overdid it, but that's okay. I love vanilla. Now I'm gonna bring in my granulated sugar and we're gonna add 1 cup of sugar into our little mixture to sweeten up this concoction. All right, that looks like 1 cup to me. And the last thing we're gonna add to this is some eggs. We are gonna add 4 eggs total to our bowl. Oh my, and then we're gonna give this a good mix. It's gonna go so beautifully with our crescents and chocolate chips. Now, if you don't wanna do chocolate chips with this recipe, you could do a berry instead and it would be just as delicious. But that cream cheese mixture with the sugar is just gonna make this taste like the most delicious kind of cheesecake, chocolate, crescent deliciousness. Okay, now we're gonna grab our hand mixer and we are going to start whipping this all up together so that we get a nice mixture to go on top of that crescent. Oh my goodness, this is gonna be so good. I know I keep saying that, but I'm just way too excited to eat it. Just make sure you whip it until it's smooth. We don't really want any chunks of cream cheese in our mixture. All right, that looks just about right. We're gonna go ahead and bring back in our 13 by 9 dish. And now we just pour this mixture right on top.
It almost looks like cottage cheese.
Yeah, but it's gonna be even better. I probably could have mixed it a little bit better, but you know what? It is what it is. All right, and that is ready for the oven. My oven is set to 350, and this is gonna cook for about 40 minutes. Oh my, it smells like a chocolate chip cookie in this house. I'm so excited. Before we serve this up, I'm gonna bring in some powdered sugar, and we're just gonna do a nice little dusting of powdered sugar. Ooh.
It reminds me of winter.
Yeah, it's like it's snowing. Okay, I think that's perfect. The powdered sugar is obviously optional. I just think it makes it extra sweet and extra delicious. Oh my goodness. This looks so good. It's almost like a bread pudding, but better. Woo!
Oh,
Might need to use a spoon. Oh my goodness, that cream cheese mixture looks phenomenal. I'm way too excited. It looks so good.
Is it good?
Oh my gosh, it's so good, you guys. You're gonna wanna make this for every occasion.